We're going to make a springtime flower collage today. And we're going to start with a circle for the middle of our flower, a blue background, and 9 strips of paper. We're going to use 8 of those strips for a flower, and one's going to be the stem. Now these are recycled pieces of paper, so they do have things on the back, and it's our job to color the front of the paper to make a nice colorful flower. So I'm going to color all 8 of my flower pieces and then 1 green one for my stem. And when I'm done coloring, I'm going to start my collage. So collage means we're gluing pieces of paper to another piece of paper to make a picture. So I'm putting some glue on the back of my circle, and that's going to be the center of my flower. Make sure you get all around the edges so it's nice and stuck. And then I'm sticking that in the middle of my paper, a little bit higher than the middle so I have room for my stem. Now I've got my nice green stem, and I'm going to trim that so it fits right up to the edge of my paper. And I'm going to flip that over and put glue on the back of that piece of paper. Once again, make sure you get all those edges, and then flip it over and press it down to stick it. Okay, so I've got the center of my flower, I've got my stem, and now I need my petals. So I'm going to put a ring of glue all around the edge of my center, my flower center. Nice big glue circle. Make sure you get all the way around. All your petals will stick. And then I'm going to stick my petals to my center. Now you don't want the color face up, you want it face down so you can see the recycled part. Because we're going to flip it over in a minute after we glue all these down, you'll see. So just make sure you start with them colored down on the table. And I'm making sure just the ends of my petals are sticking into that glue. I'm going to go all the way around my circle with it. Make sure they're nice and stuck. And you might have to move them around so that they all fit. But 8 should fit around your circle. Okay, so now I have really long petals, and they're not very colorful yet. So what are we going to do? Put another ring of glue around your circle. You can go right over the end of your petals, and then you're going to curve those petals in and stick to that glue circle. And this is going to make a 3D flower. 3D means it's sticking out of your paper. It's not flat. You might have to hold down your petals for a second while the glue's drying, but they should stick right in that glue. And then you have a really awesome 3D flower collage. Happy spring, everyone!